Hi, I'm Liz Durnell Maier with Durnell Maier Law. I'm going to discuss with you the VA Aid and Attendance Benefit. The VA Aid and Attendance Benefit is a benefit that is available to veterans or their widows. With this benefit, it can be used to help pay for in-home care, assisted living, or nursing home care. A single veteran can get about $1,900 a month. A couple can get about $2,300 a month, and the widow of a veteran can qualify for about $1,300 a month from the VA to be used to help pay for that care. Now, with this benefit, there are 4 requirements. The first requirement is that the veteran needed to have served 90 days active duty, 1 day of which was during a wartime. Now, with this benefit, active duty does not include the time that a reservist was at their basic training. The next requirement is disability. This is not a disability related to their service. That's a different type of benefit. With this benefit, the disability requirement just means that the person needs assistance getting in and out of bed, getting in and out of a chair, bathing, dressing, cooking, eating, medications. The big bright line test with the VA is whether or not that person needs assistance with driving. If the person is still driving, they're not going to qualify for this benefit. The next requirement is income. What the VA wants to see is that the person's income is being eaten up by their medical expenses. Most of the time, if the veteran or their widow is in an assisted living or nursing home, their care is eating up their income. But if the person is still at home, they may not have those medical expenses. There are ways that we can set up a contract of care with a family member or a friend to pay them, and that becomes the medical expense necessary to qualify for the VA Aid and Attendance Benefit. Now, I'm not telling you to run out and start paying anyone right now. You have to have that contract in place first. Now, the last requirement for the Aid and Attendance Benefit is assets. The VA wants the veteran or their widow to have less than about $130,000 in assets. With this $130,000, it includes cash value of life insurance, checking, savings, IRAs, 401ks. It includes everything except for the house, one vehicle, and burial policies. Those things are exempt. If the veteran or their widow has more funds than the $130,000, you can do things to still qualify for that benefit, but the VA does have a 3-year look back where they look back to see if you have given assets away. If you have, they penalize you for doing so. Basically, what they do is they take the amount that you gave away and divide it by the amount that a married couple could receive, and then they come up with a number of months that they're not going to pay that benefit to you. So, for example, if you give away about $23,000, that would be 10 months that you didn't qualify for that benefit. But the maximum penalty that you can have is actually a 5-year penalty, so it may make sense to make gifts and possibly wait, but you want to make sure that you are working with a specialist who can help advise you on what those best options are. If you would like any additional information about the topics covered in this video, please contact us at 937-507-9004. We here at Durnell Maier Law are looking forward to assisting you with all of your elder law and estate planning needs.